What's going on, guys? Kevin here, back again with the Six Streets YouTube channel. This time I'm not in the driver's seat. We got Edison here.
How you guys doing?
And we are in the infamous SC300 that kind of started everything with the channel. Now finally on the street. Built motor, CD09, and it does that.
Okay guys, we're back in the SC right now. We're enjoying this car, we're taking it for a run, and we're gonna try to do everything we can with these cars. I hope you guys missed it because I did.
And this is actually the car that I took a lot of inspiration for my Supra, which used to be in your hands as well.
That's right.
I took notes from this thing and really took a lot of things from this setup, put them onto my car, and still have some more stuff in the plans that are inspired by this.
Yeah guys, but this car is great, everything else. We do have a couple of things we need to sort off, but man, it's good to be back in the streets enjoying this car.
Damn right.
Oh hell yeah, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Right now we have a Tuna 740, and we're enjoying it. High compression motor, everything. And then we don't have no much lag on this car.
How much torque did it put down, by the way?
Huh?
How much torque?
I think it was like 640 or 620.
Wow.
Yeah.
Which, pretty even power band for a big turbo car.
It's
definitely.
It's pretty close to the horsepower because of the compression ratio. Then this car.
All right. Yep, ready to go.
All right, make sure the blue, red light, whatever's supposed to be on.
Yeah, no, I heard the noise. I know we're recording. We just did a solid chunk of this video without it even showing up on camera.
Wow.
Right, so after a long wait, this car's come back with a 1.5 JZ combo, which sounds absolutely incredible. It's got that wonderful pitch to it that makes it sound a little more like an RB, but it's still got a bit of that JZ grunt to it. And we got a 2J bottom end on it, of course. Fully built with a Carrillo rods, Wiseco pistons. You have 10.0 to 1 or 10.5?
10.5 to 1.
10.5.
Compression.
Right, so very high compression. The car feels absolutely incredible with it.
So we have injectors done today with 2 pumps.
Right, the Siemens Deca 2300s, the same ones that are in my Supra actually, which now that I mentioned that, there are quite a few things. Feels incredible. And as I was saying, I took a lot of notes from this setup to run them on my car, and one of those things was the injectors and also the dual pumps. This car has dual Walbro, 450s, right?
That's correct.
Yeah, so dual 450s, plenty of fuel for 4-digit horsepower. No problems anytime soon with this thing. With those high compression pistons, it drives very differently from a stock 2J GTE. It really feels like you've got a lot more on the low end. And also you feel a lot less lag, but that's also due to the turbo on this car. This is a Borg Warner 369 SXC, which sounds absolutely incredible, and actually performs far better than the non-SXC variants of the Borg Warners do. Still very durable, but you get far improved spool with this turbo, and also got a Tile 44mm wastegate on it, with the signature 50mm blow-off valve from Tile as well, and a Drugo manifold.
And this car, it drives like a dream, bro. Highway pulls is incredible. I mean,
it shines exactly at what a JZ should be good at.
That's correct.
On the highway, street pulls, top speed, the car feels amazing for it. Yeah. Your gear ratio is what, a 320? 321, yeah. So very tall gears. You'll actually be going way faster than you think before you even know it in this thing. You don't really feel like you're rolling through the gears as much.
Yeah. And it's also a black on black car. It is very difficult to find it. The interior is spectacular. It's like a 9, you know, and beautiful car, bro. Yep.
And the race stars, which one of the things I took notes on and put on the Supra, the race stars look absolutely perfect for this car.
Yeah.
S197 Mustang fitment, and actually for all you Toyota guys looking to run those wheels and tires, just buy race stars for a Mustang, and they'll work for you perfectly. And honestly, I have nothing bad to say about the way they look at it. They look on my car, or the way that they look on his car. It looks pretty damn good overall. So another one of the highlights of this car would be the built 1JZ head, which, like I said, sounds absolutely incredible. And it's actually got BC272 cams on it with a full array of valve train. So this thing is absolutely maxed out for what you can do to a JZ, power-wise, and also for reliability in a way, because you're able to rev it out a lot higher and hold the power more safely with that work done to it.
Since last time you guys saw it, I've done the computer upgrade, the
Haltech Elite
2500, electric fans.
They're Mishimoto's, right?
Yeah, Mishimoto radiators, fans, electric fans, little things here and there, but the car is driving great.
But it's just so smooth the way it comes on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Although when you're at lower boost, yeah, your wastegate has to open less, so technically it feels that way.
And then the compression, it's not like it, like it's like, since it has a compression ratio.
And I was actually told to switch to the SXE because it'll help it kind of feel like this. Which, hey, if anybody wants my S366, let me know. I got to retune anyway, so let's try to get this set up about as right as possible for the long run.
Yeah.
Right, and so we've gone over a lot of the power stuff. Now, as far as drivetrain, we got the CD09 in here, which paired with that 321 gear feels incredible with this car.
Between this clutch
from Collins,
8.5 millimeters. It is a little bigger one that doesn't have a tendency to overheat like the other one that I had before. Then it holds the power more. It's rated to like 1100 horsepower, 4 pounds of torque, and the clutch. Then we go up in power wise.
And this is a stock CD09, right? No upgrades internally. Okay.
Yeah.
And we also got the Serial 9 shifter on it with quite the unique shift knob from Hurst, which
it's my taste. Everybody hates it. My taste, guys.
I find it weird to say the least, if you ask me.
I like it. Everybody has their own choices.
Yep, for sure.
One day, if you guys buy it, you can change it.
Yeah. Which, by the way, the car is for sale, guys. It's been a long chapter for you with this thing.
Yeah,
a lot of hard
I had
work
about
into
8 years for this car, but we're moving to another platform. I want to move to another platform and also get something done for the YouTube channel.
Right.
That is not a 2JZ. Then you guys will see that coming up eventually. As soon as we are going to be moving out of this, then you guys will see the next project.
Yep. And he's had his fix of the JZ enough. I haven't really gotten my fix just yet, as you know. So.
I still don't have enough.
Still not enough?
Not enough.
Man, you told me enough multiple times.
Nah, I'm never gonna.
But then you get back in it and you want more.
It's like crack, bro.
Yeah, honestly, it's like a harsh drug addiction. You can't shake it. Once you feel something like this, no car will actually impress as far as its power unless you just build it up to the same standard or more.
Yeah.
It gets pretty crazy once you feel high horsepower
sound,
things.
The feel of it, everything. It just makes all the right sounds. The look, the stand in this car is incredible, guys.
Yeah,
it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Now that you mentioned the look,
yes.
Part of what's giving it that, we got the teen coilovers on it with the EDFC system, so you can electronically adjust your dampening from inside the car. It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Some like Fast and Furious type stuff that I wish my car had, but I'm happy with the Fortunatos, so I'd rather stick to the Fortunatos or something better than that. But I really like these. And as far as its aesthetic overall, the body, it's got an Auto Couture body kit on it. And as we mentioned earlier, black on black looks absolutely beautiful and a much more rare example of an SC300 than what you would normally find. Alright guys, just wanted to come out here and do a quick outro. It was super hot out and yeah, just realized we forgot to film that while I was editing. Really thought this video was a good opportunity to finally get back to the older style of doing a little bit of a nicer video for you guys. And also to give you guys an update on the whereabouts of that SC300. There are a lot of you guys that follow the page that are always asking about where that car's at or what's happening to it. So this was that chance to give you guys that update. And now it can be yours. If you're interested in purchasing the car, just feel free to shoot us a message. We'll help you out. and give you any more details you need. And yeah, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. The support means the world to us. I got a lot of things in the works real soon, trying to take things to a new level. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to catch you guys in the next video.